Welcome to Module 10 of the YouTube Video Ads section of Video Ads Academy. This video is just talking about conversion tracking. It's extremely important that you place conversion tracking so you can get that data to be inside of Google AdWords interface, because you're going to need that in order to be able to optimize. So it's imperative for you to have that, because you have to know what's working and what's not. And if you're flying blind, you can't. So you need to place your conversion tracking code. So whether you're doing a sale or you're generating leads or whatever you're doing, make sure that you place your conversion tracking. And basically, it's pretty straightforward. It's the same conversion tracking that, in your regular AdWords account. You can put a naming convention on it if you like, but it's just like this tools and analysis section and conversions. Then all you're going to do is just click this, get a new conversion. And then you're going to name it, maybe you want to name it, YouTube sign up, or, YouTube sign up. And then you save and continue. Let's see. And then you got, you want to categorize it, if it's a sign up or a sale, a lead, if it's a view a page or other, whatever you want to put. Then your conversion one. Now, I usually use like 30 days, which is basically the standard that they give you. Or you can go 90 days if you want. If you have a longer sales cycle, then you want to do that. But if you have a short sales cycle, if you're like me, you're doing mainly direct response type stuff, you don't need a long drawn out one. Just use the default. And then here, your markup language, whether it's HTML or what have you, usually I just leave it HTML. Now, if you know that this conversion event has a certain value to it, it will probably be wise to put it here, because Google will give you, you can be able to view that data inside of your AdWords account and be able to match it up and be able to see right inside of AdWords, what's performing for you. So typically, if it's a sale, it's easier to create that here if it's a sale. Okay. And then what happens, here is I usually always turn that off. Okay. And then you have advanced options, basically like a view through conversion. That just basically means someone saw your ad. They didn't necessarily click on your ad, but they ended up converting anyway. So you can read it. It tells you, this is a window. Is the number of days an ad is viewed during which a conversion will be counted. And you can read more about view through conversion. But that's basically what it means. Someone saw your ad. They viewed your ad. And ultimately, they ended up converting somehow. And Google will count that as a view through. And it just lets you know the impact that your ads are having. Even if people are not clicking on them, if they're getting you view through conversions, then, that's actually a really good thing. So, and then all you would do then is just click save and continue. I'm not going to save it. But ultimately, the next step, they're going to ask you, are you the webmaster or is it someone else? So it gives you the option to send that to your webmaster, or if you know how to place this code yourself, you do it. But, very important step. And if you're advanced, this video you probably didn't even need to watch this video, right? Because it's pretty basic, but it's extremely important that you place this. I can't stress enough, this is one of the key factors that's allowed me to really, help one of my clients make about $500,000 in 2013, strictly from YouTube alone, not including all the other stuff that we were doing. So you have to know what's working so you can be able to optimize. But that's pretty much it for conversion tracking setup. Grab the code, place it. If you're generating leads, once you get to opt-in, and then if you have a sale after the lead, you might want to create a secondary one that's for a sale, or whatever. And then you want to be able to place that as well. Really up to you, but at least have, one mechanism in place so you'll know what's working for you inside of AdWords, and then you'll be able to take advantage of the optimization strategies that I'm going to show you. That's really like how you can scale. Okay. that's pretty much it for this particular module. So we've covered everything else up until this point. You should have your research done. You should have everything ready to go. And so in the next training, we're going to start focusing on is walking through how to set up your campaign, setting it up for the first time. We're going to walk through that process. So that'll be the next video in the next video. So I'll see you then.